Hey, hi.
Charles Kong, hello, how are you?
Fine. Yes, but it's quite late right now. Uh, yes, it's about 12. Well, no.
Good.
It's about 2 o'clock. Yes, half past 2 at night.
In the morning?
In the morning. Yeah.
Wow, why are you awake?
Why am I right? I often yes, I often do this.
Okay, all right. And what would you like to learn today?
I would like to learn. Yes, actually, I learned a lot. Yes, because right now I take an annual leave. I no need to work, and I go with my yes. And today, lots of things. You know, around me. Yes, the first biggest thing is I got employed by other companies. Yes,
Congratulations, well
yes,
done.
yes.
And
Thanks.
what job do you do?
I'm doing IT. Yes, in on
I
data science. But right now, yes, today my offers, yes, it will be like a new position, and which I have
wow.
never, yes, I've never done before, and it will be a great challenge for me. It's about data analysts, and I don't know what the actual duty is, but I'm going to give it a try. Yeah,
Oh, wow. Congratulations. Very good.
thanks.
I've worked for an IT company before, a project
Oh,
administrator, coordinator,
oh,
and we dealt with a lot of the data and analysts in order to streamline their processes and make sure that our lives were easier. And we
okay,
used to deal with the data analysts quite closely in
okay,
order to pull reports for time. So for
yeah,
all our employees that worked on the projects, we needed them to help us pull all the correct time for the projects in order to bill our clients. Um, and for me, the key thing about data analysts is the
yeah.
information or the data that is in the system has to be correct. So for
Oh,
me,
okay,
that is one of the projects I worked with the data analysts is making sure that the information in the system.
was correct.
So
Okay,
yeah, so I'm going to give you a little
okay,
bit of hints and
okay.
maybe you can
Yes,
write them
I have to
down if
drop
you
it
want.
down.
I'll Okay, no problem. I'll put it here on the side for you. So do an audit, do a data audit, and even if that involves
Mm,
your HR department, um, and I'm not sure what your IT company does, but most of the time in IT companies, you've got your developers, your testers, your product owners, and you
uh,
have project managers, right? So you have to make sure that whatever information is in that data is correct. So do a data audit, pull
mm,
all the data through, get some analytics done so you can get some analytics to go and check if all the data is pulling through correctly. And then obviously, once your data is correct, then you can start pulling
uh,
reports from that data, right? And then you can
uh-huh.
show all your reports to the selected
Yes,
teams.
because the
But
reporter, yes, the reporter from the data. So you have
yes,
to make sure that the data is yes, that's correct.
correct,
Yeah,
yes. But if the data is incorrect, the report there's no use for you. Your job is actually it's
yes,
going to
garbage
be
in, garbage out. Yes, I know.
exactly good for
Mhm.
you. Okay. And how old are you?
I'm 26. Yes.
26, so you're still young. Okay. But I'm happy to hear this. IT makes me so excited. So I'm one
Okay.
of my next roles that I'm doing, I'm actually studying to be a project manager now this year, and I want to get my certification and I want to get back into a company where we do data, and I would love to be a data analyst specialist, definitely.
Okay, really? Have you think about
Yeah.
yes? Do you think about being a data science? Yes, some kind of yes, they do some kind of very cool thing. I don't know. Yes, machine learn or deep learning, and
So
which improve.
I did a couple of
Mhm.
courses through BI reporting, and I don't know if you've ever heard of that platform, but that was the platform we were using to pull our reports and to create all our different So we could do different graphs. We can pull out
Uh-huh.
our reports. I don't know if you've ever heard of BI reporting. It's a really, really good platform. And if you learn some of the code behind that, obviously you can write your own code in order to extract the information that you actually specifically want.
Uh-huh.
So for me, that was a really nice platform, BI reporting.
Yeah, is it a
I don't know
tool?
what.
Is it a tools?
Yeah, the tool. It's a tool that we use.
Oh, BI report.
What would
Okay.
you?
Okay.
Yeah, what would you use in your company? Do you know or not yet?
Not yet, but I guess it would be Power BI, and which is a Microsoft product. And yes, with the
That's the one that I use. Power BI, BI reporting. Yeah,
yes, yes,
exactly the same.
exactly the same. Okay, yeah. So
Hmm.
I don't know was involved, like what is involved in Power BI, but for me, I think maybe some language like DAX. I don't know. Is it DAX? DAX involved?
Yes, that's the one DAX language. Obviously, I'm not a developer or I'm not very
Ah,
technical. So my main thing was I could drag. So you could drag your reporting
drag and
and
drop.
your
Okay.
drag and drop. So I could drag and drop everything, which made my life easier because I cannot code to save my
Yes.
life. But
Yes.
my husband is an IT engineer and he's a
Ah,
specialist with I don't know if you've ever heard of Splunk, Elastic. So he's quite a
Elasticsearch.
big,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh,
He's
Splunk.
mostly with,
Okay.
yeah, he's
Oh,
mostly with
okay.
those. So
Well,
he would help me. But me, I would just drag and drop my reporting platform,
uh,
and yeah, BI reporting. Absolutely love that.
okay.
But
Yes.
I would suggest look at some Udemy courses because that's quite easy to run through the PowerSoft BI, the admin role, and then also look at the obviously administrative, but also the beginner course. And there's another tool, and I don't know if you would use this,
Yes.
Azure. That's quite an upcoming
Okay.
platform
Okay.
that a lot of
Yes.
Azure. You
Okay.
use it?
I think right now no, but yes, actually we apply the CRM system which called about Dynamic
Mm-hmm.
365. Yes, and
Mm-hmm.
which
Mm-hmm.
would which database is Azure. Yes, and I think
Yes.
that would be a trend. Yes, yes, my agent said that. Yes, and it will be a trend. And
Good.
yes,
Yes.
I asked yes my consultant, which
Mm-hmm.
yes, which is yes, uh, no, okay, yes, and which I know is yes, good job. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so Azure is quite a trendy platform at the moment, but I know that the BI reporting, sometimes they can pull the information through to Azure as well, which is amazing.
Uh-huh.
So with any
Mm.
of your project managers, etc.,
Uh,
or you can pull the information from
oh, sorry. May I know?
for your reporting. Yes, one of the
Yes,
one way or the other, but you can
So what?
clearly hear I'm not very technical.
Yes, I like I love the high level. Yes, talking. Yes, I don't
Hmm.
really care about that. Yes, actually. And
Okay, okay.
may I know some? Yes. How do you think about cloud computing? Yes. Like you. Yes. Yes. Like is it very important? Yes. Doing something on Azure. Than other relational database or physical database.
So it depends. You need to listen to your company needs. So whatever your company is working with, you
Mm,
could suggest other platforms that you like and that you've used before. But I
mm.
know Azure is it's almost like it's agile, so it's very quick. Okay, so if your projects are like a
Oh
waterfall
yeah.
and the people are working on very long and big projects,
Yeah.
it won't really work. Okay, but if you're
Yeah.
working on agile would definitely work a little bit quicker for the project managers. um, it depends, right? You need to speak
Uh,
to your stakeholders and see what they want.
yes.
But
Yes.
when are you starting your job, Charles?
Well, actually, I haven't sent my resignation letter. I just got offer yesterday, and right now,
Oh, wow.
yes, yeah, and
Wow.
I think that would be mine. Yeah, and other, yes, because my last job is would be about analyst programmer, which required more technical skills, but actually I don't
Mm-hmm.
really have. And
Okay.
yes, I just
Okay.
know more. I just know about the high level things, but
Yeah.
so it would be a chance for me to know more about business, and I think in yes, in a industry like bank or property, yes, which
Mm-hmm.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
um, I think yes, it is business driven, yes, and I think yes, so you have to know more about that, and I think IT is just a tools for you to accomplish
Mm-hmm.
these things easily.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, everything is about uh, business, yes.
Okay, so the company that you are working for, is it a bank or is it property, or are you just doing the IT portion of it? I mean, you said you're a data analysis, but what kind of business is your company in? Do you know?
Hmm. Well, I'm from bank to the property,
Oh,
yes, to the property company, and yes,
okay.
I so it would be like a loyalty system, which the
Mm-hmm.
member, yes, you have to um, manage to not manage, yes, to build up a system which can actually attract, or yes, to make to maybe make more customer to become your member, or yes,
Okay,
just like
yes, yes,
I
yes.
this is just my thoughts only. I don't really know about the details, and
Mm-hmm.
yes, I have to figure it out later maybe.
Well,
uh
okay, so you are moving into a property industry from a banking, okay, which I'm sure is going to be very different
Mhm.
because I know in property industries, and this is just from my obviously my assumption, I would assume that you're going to be doing trend analysis. So you know how
And then
if you have a property that let's say for instance is worth 1,000 rand, in 5 years ago, it probably was worth 2,000 Rand. So right now it's worth 10,000. What will it be in a couple of years' time? So maybe you'll be working a lot on trend analysis and obviously getting that
oh,
information through to the clients, so they can see, right, is this a good return on investment, an ROI, or, should we not even look at buying this property? And also the different sales in a different area, for instance.
okay.
So I think your new job is going to be very, very interesting, Charles.
Yes.
And I wish you all the best of luck. I'm sure you're very excited to change into something more, because it looks like you're passionate about the data analysis job.
Uh-huh. Yes, and yes, because that's my yes. I've never tried this actually. I've never,
Uh-huh.
yes. I'm just IT person, which
Mm-hmm.
uh in the bank. Yes. Uh you know the bank, how to say it, my duties are divided into many small pieces, and you
Yes.
don't really know what is going on
Mm-hmm.
with my team, or uh, what is the whole picture in the bank.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Because there's so many different things all the time, right?
Yes. Even in a team, there
Yeah.
would be 10 members working together,
Wow.
and everybody is doing their work and
Mm-hmm.
cooperating, but not really, uh, yes, they just know their parts. Yes, but
Mm-hmm.
you know,
Mm-hmm.
not really knowing the whole picture, and just make sure the job is not going to die. That's fine. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
um, so I think it is a good time for me to change. So it would be
Exactly.
great.
I think you'll be able to give a little bit more value to your job now because
Yes.
you can see exactly what they require from you. Yeah. But
Mm.
Charles, we're running out of time. I'm so
Oh,
happy
okay.
for you. Congratulations. I hope everything goes
Okay.
smoothly. Get your resignation in and move on swiftly, okay?
Yes.
Speak to you
Okay.
soon. All
Okay.
right.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.